digital marketplace revolution. In a world where convenience meets technology, e-commerce is transforming how we shop. From your screen to your doorstep, the digital marketplace is now more competitive than ever. The power of e-commerce marketing. But what drives this digital marketplace? It's not just about having a product, it's about reaching the right audience at the right time. E-commerce marketing is the engine behind online success, turning browsers into buyers. Key strategies for e-commerce marketing. Let's break down the strategies that propel businesses forward. Search engine optimization, or SEO, ensures your products are found. Social media ads engage and attract your target audience. Influencer partnerships build trust and drive conversions. The customer journey. Understanding the customer journey is crucial. From discovery to consideration to purchase, every touchpoint matters. Personalized experiences, reviews, and retargeting all play a role in winning the sale. Data-driven decisions. Data is the backbone of e-commerce marketing. Track, analyze, and adapt. The numbers tell the story of success. From click-through rates to customer lifetime value, every metric helps optimize your strategy. Success stories. By real businesses, real growth. With the right marketing strategies, e-commerce businesses have turned small startups into global brands. At Dial 4 Web, we've helped countless businesses achieve their e-commerce potential. Call to action. Are you ready to transform your e-commerce business? Start your journey with Dial 4 Web's cutting-edge e-commerce marketing strategies today. Your success story begins now. Branding and contact information. Join the e-commerce revolution with Dial 4 Web. Visit us at www.dial4web.com or contact 9185 27 11 75 07